After making all of the blade kerfs, take a hammer and tap on the tabs, breaking and busting them off. And always hammer inward, never hammer outward like that. You run the risk of splitting or splintering the board. So take your chisel and your hammer and just start trying to smooth out, removing all those nubs. You can then take a file and start filing down. You can also sand it at the end when you do your sanding. The next step is to cut the 3 notches. 1 notch in the rear to grant clearance over the existing molding, and 2 notches on the front where the bookshelf trim will hide the screws securing the post. The rear notch is 4 inches by 1.5 inches. The bottom notch on the front is 3.5 inches by 3/4 of an inch. Use a jigsaw and carefully cut along the lines. Now standing the post up flush against the wall, giving it a test fit. I forgot to cut the top notch, so I had to take it back outside again. Marked out the top notch on the front, 1.5 inches by 3/4 of an inch. Cut that out with the jigsaw.